It's time to potty train your toddler and you're completely overwhelmed. Well, just to let you know, all of the feelings that you're going through are normal. It's very normal to go through an emotional roller coaster when you're potty training your child. For starters, it's important to understand that you can't force your child to potty train. No amount of scolding, coercing, bribing, and begging will make your toddler get out of diapers unless they want to. So, the key to success is getting your kid to want to potty train. It's vital to explain to your child all of the amazing reasons that they should want to use the big kid toilet. What would make them want to stop playing to use the bathroom? Most parents use the line, "Don't you want to be a big kid?" Big kids use the toilet. So let's dive into these genius potty training hacks that can get your kids out of diapers and into big kid underwear. Because we know that you want to stop buying those diapers. First, don't lose your patience. It's very easy to get frustrated and possibly even raise your voice when your child won't use the toilet. You might be thinking, how hard is this? But it's essential that you keep your cool and absolutely never punish your child. There are only positive reinforcements during this time. You will not be putting your child in timeout, sending them to their room, taking toys and privileges away, and 100% not ever spanking your child. If you find yourself not being able to handle your temper, then you need to remove yourself from the situation. Second, you are doing yourself a disservice by using pull-ups. Pull-ups are essentially diapers, and your toddler will have a difficult time using the toilet when they're still using diapers. So steer clear away from the pull-ups except for at night. Nighttime accidents might happen for a while after you've got them fully potty trained during the day. And note, there are many children who need pull-ups for many years because their bladders are still not fully grown, and they don't wake up in the middle of the night. Third, it is essential that you don't compare your children to other children. Your toddler will learn at their own pace, and it will just make you upset if your kid isn't learning as quickly as their peers. It's okay. Don't use their friends as a way to lose your patience. Use their friends as motivation. You can say, "Did you know Alex wears big kid underwear?" Sometimes kids will think that's cool and be encouraged to wear big kid underwear as well. So what can you do to get your child to actually use the toilet? 1. Nakedness is the best. The idea of allowing children to be naked during potty training allows them to understand and be aware of their bodily cues. They can feel the sensation of being wet or soiled, which will allow them to understand when they are peeing or pooping and know they need to use the toilet during those times. Without the barrier of diapers or underwear, children may quickly make the connection between the feeling of needing to use the potty and actually using it. Not only that, but without underwear or diapers, there is easier access when needing to use the potty. 2. Bribery. One of the most successful ways to get a child to use the toilet is by giving them something every time they go potty in the toilet. This can be stickers, toys, candy, or a special treat. You can be creative based on your child's specific interests. You know your toddler the best, and you'll be able to determine what type of bribe they are willing to go potty for. 3. Let your child make decisions. To personalize the experience, you can have your child pick out certain things throughout the process. You can have them pick out the underwear that they would like, and the potty training chair that they think they'll use. Speaking of potty training chairs, having a child-sized potty is essential during the potty training process. Sometimes the large adult-sized toilet is overwhelming to little ones. They feel like they're going to fall in, and then when you flush the toilet, it's scary. Kids might feel a lot more comfortable sitting on a small training chair instead. 4. Model the behavior. Your toddler must watch you use the toilet. They will be much more interested in using the toilet if they see that their parents are using it as well. By modeling the behavior, they know how to use the toilet, and they realize that if they want to be a big kid, then they'll need to use the toilet as well. And finally, use books and activities that encourage your child to use the toilet. There are so many wonderful books, songs, and YouTube videos that are geared toward children that could teach them how to be potty trained. Your child might respond positively to being able to sing songs that demonstrate using the toilet. Potty training is a significant development milestone for children, and it requires patience, understanding, and a positive approach from parents. There are many strategies to encourage a child to use the toilet, and the effectiveness of these methods may vary from child to child. It's important to create a consistent potty routine, offer independence, use positive reinforcement, and celebrate small successes. Remember, accidents are a normal part of the learning process, and staying calm is absolutely paramount. Providing a supportive and encouraging environment, along with being flexible in your approach, can help make the potty training experience smoother for both you and your child.